what basically is an impact assessment? So the impact assessment under the data processing is designed to identify, evaluate, and control risk involved in processing of data. Because when you're working as a privacy specialist, you're also working as a risk manager for the company. You are ensuring that the risk for privacy is mitigated and the compliance towards GDPR is met. So when you do an impact assessment procedure, it covers processing of personal data, assessing the necessity and proportionality of processing that data, and what are the technical measures used to ensure that risks are mitigated. So what is the end result you decide to achieve with an impact assessment? Like, what is the objective you try to achieve through an impact assessment? The objective is that you, as a privacy specialist in a company, try to justify that why a particular risk to personal data is acceptable and how has that been mitigated to minimum. So it helps the controllers to ensure that and also demonstrate that they're compliant with GDPR regulation. They have proper technical and organizational measures in place through which they are mitigating the risk that is being caused to data protection, that is being caused to personal data. And at the same time, it is a document. So as a risk manager, as a privacy specialist, as a compliance manager, it is a document, or it helps you to document the risk and the mitigating measures, and that is a proof in case there is an audit. You can show that this is what we did and we ensured that the risk was minimum, and that's how we went through it. Breach happens, breach takes place. It's not like breach will not happen, but when a breach has happened, you have to ensure that you have your compliance done appropriately and also documented so that you can prove it to the auditor that my compliance or compliance at the end of my organization was done properly.